Everyone has their own definition of a perfectly boiled egg. Maybe you like yours gooey and runny, perhaps you love a more jammy texture. Whatever it is, the one thing you need to remember when you're boiling your perfect egg is that timing is everything. Now, to avoid cracking the shell while you're cooking your eggs, you want to make sure they're not bumping around in rapidly boiling water. And the best way to do this is to bring the water to the boil, turn the temperature down slightly until it's at a steady simmer, and then gently lower your eggs in one at a time. Remember that eggs should be room temperature if they're going straight into boiling water, or if they're coming out of the fridge, put them into cold water, bring them to the boil, and wait until they're simmering before you start the timer. 4 minutes will give you a gooey and soft boiled egg, while up to 8 minutes will give you hard boiled perfection. And if you stir the water clockwise while they're cooking, it will help center the yolk. Once your eggs are done, take them straight out of the hot water, crack the shell lightly all over, and drop them into a bowl of iced water. This will help the egg shrink away from the shell and make peeling them a breeze. Look at that. From the perfect soft-boiled 4-minute egg to a jammy 5-minute egg, or the ideal hard-boiled egg, I'll say it again, timing is everything, and when you get that right, you don't need anything else.